Sazon Moto Family. Hopefully everyone is doing great. I know it's been a minute since I've done a video here. A ton has gone on in my life. A lot of changes, a lot of craziness. I mean, life hits you hard, but you have to keep going with it. That's all you can do. So I just received a package and I want to go ahead and do an installation. But first of all, let me just say enough. I apologize to all of my fans, friends and family. Everyone has been asking about me, like, where have you been? What's going on? Right now, I'm just shooting in my garage. Yeah, just like I said, many changes has gone on. Don't want to go too much into detail because, you know, just a lot of things. I also want to explain here that this channel that I do have currently, this is focused on a little bit of everything. I want to go into focus like primarily on the motorcycle, but I do enjoy like cars. I do enjoy like going out to restaurants, and essentially this is the direction that I do want to go. I still have Onyx in the background. She's looking precious as always, right there. You guys can see it hopefully. That is my baby. She's looking great. She's so sexy. Get that ass, girl. Let me get that ass. But yeah, she has been an absolute dream. My baby has been taking really good care of me, you know, even in my stressful times. I mean, she's been there. And you got to remember that we're all human beings. We all go through things and we all go through life, you know, and especially with 2020, the struggle has been real. The reason why I'm making this vlog is because I did get a package in the mail, as I said before. I'm not gonna go into details on what it is. Let me show you the product first, and then we can go from there. Ready? Bam! Ooh! Ah! Look at that! It looks so good. Woo! This thing is amazing. Let me just tell you. I wanted to go with red because, like I said, this bike has red accents. I wanted to go with red because, like I said, this bike has red accents everywhere. Like, you know, obviously the spools, you know, also the quad lock, you know, the starter, little accents like that. Eventually, I still can't find the rim for these wave sliders. They do sell these separately. As you can see, they have the 2 screws, and this little piece comes right out, and you can exchange it for different colors. However, I've not been successful in finding this. If anybody has been successful in finding these for Shogun, please let me know in the comments below. Reach out to me. Everyone has my Sazon Moto page. Also, you can reach me over on my Instagram page, which is the same thing, Sazon Moto. Throw a comment down below, let me know where I can find those, because I still can't find it for whatever reason. I don't know if they discontinued it, and if that's the case, I might end up changing it for something different, because, you know, your boy can't stay still. So we're about to do this install video. So I know the lighting is not the best. I know at 11:30 at night, it's not the best to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do this. Let's go. All right, you guys, I'm so excited about this. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go and install. First, we're gonna start off with the unboxing, and then we're gonna go ahead and move over to the install. So I have all my tools sitting somewhere on the side. In that mess, please don't look at my mess. Somewhere in that mess, please don't look at my mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at these things. These things are gorgeous. I mean, I think this is a logical choice. It's kind of not so crazy about those levers anyways. They were giving me issues in the beginning, and it seems like one of these are actually, the screw is actually falling off. Now these are not too bad, but as crazy as it sounds, oh, maybe that's normal, okay. Okay, no, they're not bad. These are the MZS, which they're not bad at all, to be honest. They worked out pretty well. And I had a little bit of issue in the beginning, but then they worked out pretty well. I don't know, they kind of settled in a little bit. But we're gonna see and compare from this setup here to the new ones. Get to feel Let's kind of see what they look like now. They're not bad looking, to be honest. I mean, if you really look at them, they're not bad looking at all. I mean, they go really well with the bike, and I love the shorties. I prefer shorties over the long regular ones. I definitely prefer any levers over the stock levers because I think they're hideous, just hideous. So let's go ahead and open these and check them out. Oh man, oh wow. Ooh. Okay, so this is the supposedly the mechanism that allows, like if you were to drop the bike, basically instead of it breaking, it just pushes forward this way. So that's one less expensive product to buy. Then you have an adjuster. Oh, this, this is nice. Let's start with the clutch first. So I believe this is the clutch. That one I believe is the unbreakable. They are unbreakable because I think they flip sides. I think. Oh look, they have all the screws and everything right. Or what is this? Oh, something I have to figure out now. Does this come with instructions? That's one thing I gotta find out. Does it come with instructions? I don't think it does. These are the brakes, yep. Shorty brakes. All right, shouty. Let's put that there. We're gonna go ahead and start working with this one. And these came out all the way from California. Oh, wait, there's something, oh look. There's something in the background. Oh no, okay, this is nothing but padding. Oh, some stickers. Oh. 3 stickers too. 4 stickers. I don't know if I can stick all of this. I guess I can start now putting stickers all over my bike. Yeah, what y'all think? Right here? Boom. Maybe? I don't know. We'll figure that out later. For now, let's just focus on putting this together. So, first I need to take this apart, which I gotta find out what is it that I need exactly. And I know it's gonna be check this out, guys. Oh, it looks so good. Woo! I am loving this. Oh, it looks so good. Hold on. Let's see if I can catch it this way. That looks so amazing. Check that out. Oh, man. Oh, the red accent, yes, yeah. This one just looks like it just needs the contrast. I mean, obviously everyone has their own style.
Jesus Christ is my nigga. Jesus Christ is my nigga.
Talk about the struggle, how they turn to the law when they ran in the jungle. I'ma talk about
Jesus Christ is my nigga.
Woo! Look at that. Oh, that looks so freaking good. Yo, super duper excited. Look at that. Now, y'all tell me this thing does not look amazing. You tell me that looks so badass. Yo, that looks so good. I'm super excited, super excited. The next time we try this out, yeah, definitely. We're gonna go on the road and check this out. Tonight it's too late, it's too cold out. But yeah, check it out, check it out. Even from the top view angle. Oh, that looks so... I am super excited about this. Super duper excited. I can't wait to go out and ride this. Yo, this is gonna be amazing. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? I think they look amazing. I know some of you guys might not like the red. Some of you guys are gonna say, bro, you should have gone with the black. But I think this looks dope. Looks so fire, check it out. Oh. That looks really, really good. In all honesty, really, really good. I am super excited about this. Yo, she looks amazing. Look at Onyx. Onyx, smile for the camera. Girl is sexy. Woo, man, I tell you what. I'm happy with my purchase. I'm glad I did the switch. I'm thinking about doing some sort of a raffle. I have parts that I've taken off of this bike that I'm thinking about giving away at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for being part of the Sazon Moto family. Thank you for subscribing. For those of you who have subscribed, if you're not a subscriber, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, share with your family. You know, come tell them to become part of the Sazon Moto family. So more contents will be on its way. I have more stuff coming, so I can't wait to get on the ball on that one. The next video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a test ride on this. I'm gonna go ahead and set my GoPro on the helmet, and then we'll go for a spin. I'll give you my thoughts about it. Once again, guys, thank you so much. So, thank you for being part of the Sazon Moto family. Yeah.